Hey guys, I'm Tom Rohr, and I've been skating for over 20 years. I'm here to give you all the details that you need to know to learn tricks as fast and efficiently as possible, and of course make it fun in the process. Every trick has that one tip that you should never forget. Once you know what that is, it's in the bag. Let's get into it. Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to learn 1-foot ollies, which is also more popularly known as the Ollie North, but the original name is the 1-foot ollie. If you got your ollies down real good, this is a really good next trick to learn because it's super fun and it looks awesome. And it's actually not much harder than an ollie. So let's get into it. All right, let's start out with the foot position. For the back foot, you want to have it in the center just like an ollie. The setup for this trick is the exact same as an ollie. So you put your back toe in the center of the tail, not too in, but not too far back either. Show a little bit of that grip tape right behind your toe there. That's where you're gonna have the best pop. And then for the front foot, same position as an ollie. All your weight pressing down in the center of the board so it lines up with your back toe. That's how your balance is the best. Toe in the center, toe in the center. If you're still working on perfecting your ollies, go watch my ollie tutorial. I go into a lot more detail. Watch that, then come back and learn 1-foot ollies. Diaphragm. And just like I explained in my ollie tutorial, it's really important not to let your shoulders turn. Keep them square and parallel with your board. All right, so when you're rolling up, you gotta make sure you bend down as far as you can. Put as much weight on your toes as possible, just like every other trick. Bend way down, and then when you snap with that back foot, and when you slide your front foot forward, this is the most important part of this trick. For an ollie, your front foot slides forward and levels out the board, but for this trick, you actually have to kind of kick it out faster than you would for an ollie. You also do it a little bit delayed. So ollie first and then kick out off your nose. So once that foot slides forward after your board is leveled out, your board's coming up like this. You want to have your back foot on your tail, but once it starts pointing, your foot angles just slightly. See that back foot, how it's just a little bit angled? So by your foot angling like that, it helps your body stay more square above your board. Also, when your foot angles, notice how the board's pointed down. When you bring your foot back, it helps level out the board again. And lastly, you don't really have to lean forward or backward for this trick. You can just stay pretty square. That's all I have for tips. Once you get those 1-foot ollies down, start throwing some variations in there. Try 1-foot, 2-foot tricks, whatever, get creative with it. Have some fun with it. Should we do some? Before you go, hang on to these key takeaways. Set your feet up the same as you do for an ollie. Kick your front foot out fast. Delay the kick of your front foot. And tilt your back foot as your board points down. See you in the next tutorial. You!